Alrighty, so this morning I am heading up to Puyuhuapi. I'm going to stop in there and drop into the mechanic. That basically was the one that helped send the wrong sprockets down to me, so I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know if he has the parts that I need, if he needs to still source them, but I can't basically hang around there, so hopefully he speaks a bit of English and it makes this whole exchange a bit easier. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens. Oh my god, it's so nice to have some corners after weeks of dead straight roads. This is what riding is about. Stunning ride. This is exactly what I came for, the Carretera Austral. It is turning it up. Alright, I'm in Puyuhuapi. Pretty cool city actually. It's one of the bigger cities in the Carretera Austral. Not much of a city person, but this place is cool. It's surrounded by mountains. I think there's some rock climbing here, which I won't have time to do unfortunately, but yeah, now I've got to find the mechanic, which I've been given vague descriptions of. Just basically it's on the corner of two roads, and Felipe misspelt one of those roads, I think it's right here. He said to look out for motorbikes as well on the side of the road, which I cannot see. Maybe, oh, there's some bikes there. Maybe it's that place. Let's go knock on the door. I think it's safe to say this is the place. I'm a little bit early, so he might not be home. Can bang on the door though. It's locked. Oh well, I'll bring the bike around anyway. Alright, so I've just finished up in Puyuhuapi, and since I'm waiting in traffic, I will give you a rundown on what's going on. So basically the whole thing has been a bit of a disaster with these sprockets. My understanding was that Felipe got Pepe in Puyuhuapi to order the parts and get them sent down. Turns out that Pepe didn't have anything to do with it. Felipe just recommended me to go there to see if he could sort me out with some sprockets of the right size. So Felipe obviously just used a guy directly in Puerto Montt, which is a city further north, to get the parts sent down. Basically our understanding was I was to take those wrong sprockets up to Puyuhuapi and they would get sorted from there. But that's not the case, and Felipe even thinks he has the sprocket still at his workshop at the moment. So yeah, it's just been an absolute mess, bit of a disaster with communications. But yeah, I think I'm going to have to hold on to the sprockets until I get to Puerto Montt, and hopefully I'll get the money back, because it was quite a lot of money. Bit more gravel again. Let's play dodge the pothole. On the dirt, hopefully it doesn't get greasy down here. Stick on the nice flat line. It is a little bit slippery. This is absolutely magical. Wow. one just hit the power line, fell into this paddock here. Not good. Hopefully it's not broken, and hopefully I can find it, and hopefully I can park my bike. This is awkward. Get the stone under there. Come on, you bastard. I saw this power line move, so it has to be close by here somewhere. So I guess maybe it's back that way. Okay, we're getting close now. It must be just down here somewhere. Here she is. Oh my god. Oh, we cooked a propeller and broke another one. That's the first time I've actually broken propellers on a drone before, so just need to remember where I've put my replacement propellers. I think they're in my panniers somewhere. Hopefully nothing else is damaged. That took quite the tumble. Make sure I don't cut my clothes or myself on this barbed wire. Let's go very carefully. Here we go, spare propellers. So I've seen on my phone up in that valley there, alongside the river, there looks like there's some pretty good wild camping spots. Not entirely sure if it's legal or not, but on my app that shows wild camping spots in Chile, it says people have camped there before, and it looks pretty remote. It doesn't look like it's on anyone's land, so I'm gonna go check it out. Pretty sure it's down here. Maybe I'll just check the map just to make sure. Yep, this is it. Just got to follow this down here till about that spot, which is 3 kilometers away. I do love a little adventure. I can almost guarantee this is going to be an amazing wild camping spot. All you have to do is look around you. Alright, I think I might have found a little camping spot. This little track looks promising. Let's check the map. Oh, maybe it's a little bit further. Oh, I'll go a touch further. And if it's not there, then it must be down there. There are some vehicle tracks going down there, but I feel like that road is probably the best bet. Here it is, let's check it out. Oh, there's a horse on the track. Maybe that's a sign, that's where I'm supposed to go. Hopefully the bike doesn't freak him out. Another horsey. Well, I think this might be my first river crossing of the trip. Extreme. Oh, dude. This is the spot. on the money, right on the riverbed. I am definitely setting up camp here tonight. Well, nothing beats finding your own slice of nature when you take a gamble and go for a wild camping spot. As you can see, this is, yeah, it's a pretty amazing spot. No one else here, all by myself. I was talking to my mate James from Ireland on Instagram just before, who's been to Patagonia, and he was just saying, take your time here because it really has a magical feeling. And that is something that I've noticed as soon as I left Chile Chico. Everything has just been absolutely amazing. Everywhere you look, there's just an amazing sight to see. So yeah, I'm feeling super grateful to be in Patagonia. What a spot. Well, that wraps up a sensational night of wild camping. Had this place all to myself, absolutely beautiful. Such a freeing feeling having your own free spot for the night. I'm up to Puyuhuapi, I think, probably pronouncing that wrong. It is about 140 kilometers away, so only 2 to 3 hours, not too far. And there is a national park there, so I'll see what I want to do. Could go for a hike, could just find another awesome place like this to wild camp, but I will just go with the flow. A la Ventura. 8,000 pesos for the evening, which is probably about $13 or $14 New Zealand. Not too bad, and I get to park up inside one of these little shelters, so the tent will not be getting wet tonight, which is good. Oh, that is perfect. Even plugs in here and everything. Man, I wish I had a beer. This is a good place to have a drink. With a view of the glacier, check that out. I was gonna see if the other one was a bit bigger, but with a view like this one will do perfectly. This place is so dope. Down here I've got my tent set up. I don't have to put the oversheet on because I'm under a roof, as you can see. We've even got a light up here. We've got power sockets down in there. I'm just hanging my bottom sheet on the tent up here just to dry out. And we've also got a counter to make some food on, a table as well to put all my stuff on, and best of all, I have this view right here. View of the glacier out in the distance. Spectacular.